and I'm snowshoeing today. Ferris Lake Wild Forest, covered in snow. Beautiful area. The snow is pretty deep today. I love visiting little creeks and streams that are off the trail. Very awesome. I'm running over to these this falls or creek over here. Oh wow. Nice. This is the stuff I love seeing. Winter does have some advantages. The views are amazing, especially after a snowstorm. And the lake should be right over here. And there it is, snow covered and frozen. There's Broomstick. Wow. I love the large slabs of rock along the trail. Amazing. Little windy, deep snow, but very, very nice. I kind of bushwhacked along the shore to the kind of the back of the lake. Very beautiful area. these trees are really awesome. I've been obsessed with like staring at them. It looks really, really cool out here. Off the trail, I did find some fungi that looks kind of cool. Yeah, these are neat. I always say in the wintertime there's life everywhere. You just got to stop and look sometimes. Another little area off the trail. Just had to check it out. The way the snow ripples along little creeks after a snowstorm is very poetic. Thanks for watching. If you like checking out the Earth, click subscribe and I'll put up more videos of our planet and the life on it.